Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a cool little knife to show you today. This is another Kickstarter that my son backed a while back, and he got this probably a couple weeks ago. I've had it. He brought it over for me to check out. I've had it for a little bit, but yeah, he backed this on Kickstarter. I don't have too much information on it. Um, the knife is called the Momento, and I believe the company is the Weekend Project, something like that. So I'm not really sure. I don't know if you can get these still or if they're available anywhere else. But I do know the guy had some issues with the manufacturer, the OEM. So I'm assuming this was made in China also. But yeah, he had a lot of delays, quality issues, build issues. He finally got a bunch and basically did his own QC on it, on them all, sent out the best of the lot. It took, I know it took forever. My son was waiting forever for it, but he finally got it, and it's a pretty nice little knife. When he backed it, he paid $30 for it, and he got a little gift. I'll show that to you also, but yeah, let's check. Hey, let me cut in real fast because I did the entire video and forgot to show you the little freebie he got for kicks, back in the Kickstarter on the Momento, and he got a little keychain pry tool, kind of like the Widgie, about 3 inches long, I don't know, 0.1 inches thick. I got 0.97. Nice little pry tool, but what I want to show you was on the back. If I can, it says the Weekend Project, Modern Gentleman. So that's probably the name of the company that did the Kickstarter. So right there, just a little. I just want to show this to you. Get back to the knife. See you later. Also, but yeah, let's check this thing out. It's got thumb studs, which work fine. The detent is a little bit light. You can fail it, but a normal thumb flick, no issues. And my son did not even know this. Who knows if it was even intentional, but it's got a very small tab up here, like a front flipper, and I got my hand got in the way, but you can front flip it. I can do a lot better when I'm not under the camera. There we go. So that's cool. Front flipper without a huge tab protruding up. That's very small, but you can definitely do it. Nice. Thumb studs are quite long, but work good. It's easy to get your thumb in there, flip it open. Got a nice drop point blade here. It's hollow ground. You can see the grind marks. Stone wash finish. Nice stone wash on it. Yeah, pretty nice blade shape. The steel is 9CR 18 MOV. Not premium steel, but good, far as I'm concerned, decent EDC steel. Definitely gonna have to sharpen it, more than say, S30V, D2 and all that, but I do not mind 9CR. I have several knives with 9CR. And yeah, so the blade blade is pretty nice shape. I like the design. I took measurements. I got about 3 3/16, 3.175 inches long. So just over 3 inches. It's got ceramic ball bearings, ceramic detent ball. You can see, maybe you can, detent ball down in there. Like I said, detent's a little light. Not bad, better than some knives I've had my hands on. Handle, got cool Jade G10, natural G10. Pretty, actually, got some fair amount of texture to it. It's grippy. Stainless steel liners, full liners. No milling in there. You can see it's a little bit dirty. It's got a lot of crap in there. I haven't taken it apart, cleaned it up for him yet. But yeah, no milling, so it's a little heavier. Lock up. The liner lock is excellent. There's no play, no lock rock. It's got a substantial stop pin. That's nice. A couple of standoffs. Easy access to the liner lock. That's always nice. Got a little jimping there. It helps. Jimping on top of the blade. That's pretty nice. I like jimping up here. It's not overly sharp, but you get good traction on it. Yeah, it's a little thicker. It's, what did I don't know if I did. Let's check, see how thick the handle is. So the handle, a little thicker than average at 0.505. Good. I don't mind half an inch. Fills my hand up a little better. Yeah. Got a reversible tip up pocket clip, right hand or left hand. It's not deep carry. You're going to have quite a bit sticking out of your pocket. I always prefer deep carry, but after carrying the Spyderco Salt 2, which is by far from being deep carry, I don't mind that so much anymore. Yeah, fit and finish is actually pretty good. It's dead center. Everything feels flush. Nothing's sticking out at me as far as fit and finish. Looks like there's a couple marks on the G10. Who knows if that was from us or came that way. Yeah, this pocket clip, it'd be nice if that was a loop over pocket clip, deep carry. I think there's other pocket clips that will fit. Could probably swap it out. Has a lanyard hole. Yeah, for $30 that he backed us for, not bad at all. I don't think. I kind of like it. I just like the profile. I like the drop point, hollow grind. Ergos, it's pretty comfortable. That pocket clip, I do feel that. That could be a hot spot for some people. For me, it probably will be. I would probably try to bend that down a little bit, but check the pivot out. Decorative pivot takes a number 8 screw. Body screws look like they're number T6. Pocket clip screws look like a T6. But yeah, I know the guy was not happy with the manufacturer, whoever the OEM was. It came, I got my hands on it. The pivot was really tight. You could feel the ball bearings in there. I loosened it up just a little bit, no play, and now it's nice and smooth. It's drop shutty, very smooth. And so I can reverse finger flick. Yeah. Nice and smooth, and it is really filthy. So I'll probably take this apart. I'll blow it out, try to clean it up a little bit for them. But yeah, pretty dirty. I can see down in there the detent ball. Kind of looks like it's pushed through a little bit too far. That might, see, right there it's on the detent ball. Not much holding it, really. So, yeah. Lockup is good, though. Like I said, no play. It's just the lock bar. Liner lock is on the tang fully, but it's like, it's not even halfway over. Pretty thick blade stock. Fairly thick, I should say. But yeah, I mean, what else can... I don't have no complaints about this. I wish I had more information to relate to you guys, because it's it's a pretty nice knife. I mean, I know Kickstarter, you back something that's cheaper, $5-10 cheaper. So, you know, even at $35-40, I don't think this is a bad deal. Bad knife. Good tension on that pocket clip, but it goes in and out easy with that ramp. I don't like the ramp. But just for a couple of size comparisons, I got 3 out. Similar knives. Have the copper Civivi Elementum. Similar profile. This one does not want to sit right. But the Momento is a little bit longer. Just slightly longer handle, longer blade. How about the bug out? I said it reminded me a lot of the bug out. So the bug out is full flat grind. Very, similar design. Not quite as rounded as either one of these. More of a straight drop point. That's not bad. How about another beefy knife? And this weighs 3.3 ounces. It's not heavy. About 93 grams. Where this weighs 5 point some ounces, the Buck 112. Very similar in size. Yeah, very similar. Handle's a little bit shorter on the overall on the Momento. Definitely cutting edge. Wow. You get a lot more cutting edge on the Momento. Let's check it out with a bug out. Yeah, you get a little more cutting edge. See up there? Bug out has a little more belly. Yeah, very similar. More like the Buck 112 drop point here. But yeah, like I said, I wish I had more information. This was available or whatever. But I thought I'd show it to you. Pretty cool knife. Guess that's it for this. Do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and I'm sure I'll be bringing more of my son's Kickstart items that he's backed. But yeah, guess that's it. Till the next video. Bye.